Another volatile day for Thursday. We hunted MLGO before the market opened. When we discussed this price target, we said the $2 should be the support and the profit taken should be around the $3.10. And we said this is a really important level to watch out for because the market, before the market opened actually, the price went right near the $3.10. So we suggest not getting in until we have a clear breakout. The price got rejected when the market opened and we went down and we discussed the support, the $2.47. Then we had our profit taken around the $3.50 and we got really good trade around the $3.15 after we broke this level and the price went down. We're going to discuss the entry point again and if there's potential for squeeze for MLGO, one of the stock that's been heavily pumped today over 100%. Next up we got BZFD. This one as well, we talked about it in the pre-market watch list. Trading Jesus watch list was holding above the $1.47 and we said that we're gonna have two profit taken around the $1.75 and the $2.09 if we hold above the $1.15, and we said there's a potential for retest around the $1.15 when we did our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time, which we do daily. So look with me what's going on. The price actually went down and then have a breakout after we held above the $1.15 support. And that's why the price is squeezed, and the confirmation for squeeze, of course, the $1.58. And then we went first around the $1.76, the first profit taken, and the second profit taken around the $2.10 exactly, and the price went down. We're going to discuss as well if there's potential to entry. Tesla's doing all right, 8%, because we got really good earning after hours yesterday, and we have potential breakout zone for Tesla. HLBZ, we already took profit for HLBZ when we have a huge breakout from the 37 and we took profit around the 44 around this area, and the price got rejected there and went down. We're going to discuss if there's a potential to reverse. AVYA, we traded today in our live streaming and we saw the breakout from the 39 and the profit taken was near the 45 here, that's 46. Near this profit taken the 50 cent. That's why we said there's a potential rejection there. That's why the price went down. We're going to discuss the potential reversal area and where's the support. And of course, we're going to discuss the SPY because there's a really important level has been broken right now and there's a potential reversal for the whole market. So let's start first with MLGO. Did 72% currently, and the ultimate price was around the $3.70. We already triggered our profit taken, and the first trigger for a squeeze, it was around the $2.23. It happened in pre-market, and when market opened, we said that the price is testing an important resistance, which is the $3.15, and the price went down. So we have a really good entry around the $3.15 and we took our profit around the $3.50 and the price got rejected then and went down. So where's the potential support? Because if we see the chart, we see that the price is still holding the current support, which is the $2.47. And the breakout zone next time is potential breakouts actually around the $3.50 or 47. Turn it to orange, of course. The ultimate profit taken for this one should be the $5.68. We might have it tomorrow. That's why we're gonna do a pre-market update watch list for MLGO. And live streaming, of course, at the same time around 3 p.m. CET. So stay tuned for that to cover the stock that had potential to squeeze. So we have to watch out now for today, holding above the $2.47 and breakout $3.47. BZFD 92%, I think now is currently the ultimate gainer for today, and we hunted this stock around this bottom, the $1.15, when we spoke about it on our Jesus trading list, which we do daily before the market open on our Patreon, and we said if we hold above this AMA, to be exact, above the $1.15, which is the support for this stock before the market open, and even during the market open, because the price was consolidating down, then we have this signal for squeeze first. Then the second signal, of course, the $1.58, and we went directly to the first profit taking and then the second profit taking. This stock is pretty volatile, so we're gonna watch for it for tomorrow pre-market update that we're gonna do on our Patreon, discuss the entry and exit point for this stock and the updated chart analysis for it. Okay, so watch out for this level. Let me just update our level. First, we have support there. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna discuss the breakout and the other profit taken next tomorrow. Tesla is doing all right, 9%, almost 10%. Volume is picking up, almost 200 million. So what's going on with Tesla? Tesla have a new support around the 152, and the breakout is the 160. We discussed it in our live streaming today, and we said Tesla doing all right. Reversed from the 100 bottom, and you see it clearly from the last year. I believe we have this bearish signal when we broke from this circle around the 270, and guess what, we went and plunged down from the 270 until the 100, almost 50% down. And now is time for a reversal after the good earning. We have an important level being tested right now on the 160. If we broke it, we're gonna continue to go higher toward the 178 than the 200. However, in the meantime, we don't want to have this reaction. However, even we had it, still we are in bullish trend here. If we didn't overcome the 160, we might see this reaction going higher again, get rejected, then fill this circle and going up again between the 100, wait a second, 142 and 137. This should be the support for Tesla to continue to go higher and see a new high for this year, 178 and 197. Next up, we got HLBZ. Oh man, what's going on with this one? As we said, if we don't hold the 37, we're gonna have filled this gap around the 24 and the 26, and we did today, and the price is holding above this AMA. Is still bullish, for my opinion. So the first signal for another pull run for HLBZ is breaking the 37 and going toward the 55. This is the most important level to watch out for, and holding the 24.50. As well, we're gonna do update for HLBZ for tomorrow. Watch out for that. AVYA is breaking up from our breakout zone, the 39. And we have this signal today when the market open, so we need to update our level. As we said, we have 32 as a support above this AMA. Even if we broke this level, the 39, in the big picture we need to hold the 32 in order to continue to go higher toward the squeeze area, for my opinion, the 60 cents. Let me just take this off. So the 60 cents should be our ultimate profit taken and the squeeze area. We could actually re-enter if we broke it and see what's going on, because this is a decisive moment for AVYA, for my opinion. Lastly, we have to discuss the SPY. There's something really good happening for the SPY. You see, last time we talked about the SPY, we talked about this bearish channel that we've been tested 5 times, and we get rejected every time. Here, one rejection, second and rejection, third rejection, fourth rejection, and the last time we got the 5th, and we got a bit of rejection, but we bought back pretty fast. Of course, this is the first signal. The second signal is breaking the 430, then continue to go higher and confirming a bullish run for the SPY. Otherwise, still we're not clear yet, because we might have a continuation until the 430, get rejected again and going down. So now it will be a first signal for strength if we have a green candle to close above this bearish channel, to give us a first confirmation for the SPY start to reverse and enter a bull run. Okay, we're going to discuss this tomorrow on our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Stay tuned for that. We're going to discuss all the stocks that have been requested from us live, and hunt for the stock that have potential to squeeze, like MLGO that squeezed today almost over 100%, BZFD that is pumping right now again. over 125, and this stock is pumping. I think we're gonna have the 200%, and we're gonna do chart analysis on our Patreon because this one have a new level to watch out for. Stay tuned for that and see you in the next update.